So hi everyone. I'm doing this unboxing of my Kawasaki Vulcan S Power Outlet socket that I bought because my bike doesn't come with it, and I decided to put it on. And it needs the accessory relay for it to work. So let's see what we got on this in this box. Let's see what it comes with. Sorry, this one hand. So let's see. Alright, so we have the assembly instructions. Which is in English. So show a diagram and what does it come with. Okay. So basically show you how to put it together and where's it going, and the torque specs. And it also comes, see, it has the inside of the operation menu. Okay. Now this one is in Chinese or whatever language that is. Okay. So this is the socket, I believe. There's a gasket in there. Oh, it has all the little stuff like the gasket, the nut. Sorry guys, I don't have a stent, so. Alright, so it has a little gasket, the damper, the collar for it, the cover socket, the bracket, the bolt, and another bolt. And this is the socket, the power outlet for my bike. Once again, this is for I have a 2016 Kawasaki Vulcan S 650, and that is this is what you get when you order it from Kawasaki. I ordered it from Amazon, by the way. It was just a couple $dollars cheaper and free shipping. I was gonna order it from Kawasaki website, but they tried to charge me $10 for shipping. So I said the shipping part, but they're almost the same. Alright, so this is the relay. Let's open it up. And you need this one in your bike if you don't have nothing else. So this is the bracket. And bracket. So this is the relay. Feels pretty heavy too. So. And the bolt. So this is like the instructions how to put it together. So we're supposed to get 3 pieces, and that's what we got. We got 3 pieces. Then it show you where it's to go, how to put it together. So what it looks like is going to be really easy. I was afraid that you have to cut into the harness, and it looks like it's just a plug in and play, which that I was really glad. I saw a video on YouTube and decided to order the pieces so that way I can have an power outlet on my motorcycle. This one cost me $24, and this one was $20, so $45 for this. There you go. So those are the port numbers. If you guys want to get a power outlet on your Kawasaki Vulcan. So, okay guys. Well, thank you. Please subscribe. Give me a like, and let me know in the comments if you'd be interested for me to make a video how to put this thing together, and I'll do a review later on, maybe a month or so after I put these pieces in there. So, well, thank you for watching. Bye.